Hi friends, in this video we have studied about how to print the triangle. Triangle means first line star, second line 2 star. So it's displays like a triangle. So we want to display this type of format. Okay, so how to we have create a triangle. So in this Python program, first we have to get the input. Hash input is a command line, command. So is the runtime, the line won't run. Okay. So rows, how many rows? How many rows we want to get it? So here we can use the input, enter how many rows, how many rows. Okay, so it's one of the prompt command is dynamically after runtime it get the values. So we can put it any number of values. It's stored into the variables rows. Next we can use the for I in range of rows. So in here print I. What happened here? So now we can save the file first and run the program. So print F5 to run the program. Okay, F5. Then the program is started. Program is started. Now it's asking the rows. Here I can put it 7. So what happened? It displays some error. So what is the error here displayed? Exception has occurred type error. str object cannot be interpreted as an integer. What happened in here? I will explain. So input is one of the prompt. So the input command is always written the string values. Prompt is a string. So here we have to use the integer values only. So how to we have to convert into the string to integer? So here we have to use the int command. The int of input of enter the number. So now it's converted into the string values into integer. Okay. So now we can run the file. F5. Again the file is run. It's asked the number of rows. Here I can put it 7. So it's displayed 0 to 6. Okay. So now are you understand? The range of rows is here I can put it 6, 7. So it's returned 0 to 6. Okay. Now here we can use the one of the rows. Next for j equal to j in range of I plus 1. Why I have to use I plus 1? Because of when we have run the using the range command, it displayed 0 to actually it's getting 0 to 7. For example, we have to input as 7. Input as 7. So it's getting from 0 to 6 only. So that's what I have put it I plus 1. So what happened in here? For j equal to in range of I plus 1. For j is now first time it's getting value is 1 and it repeated. Now we can run it. So run the file. So it asking number of rows. Okay. So here I can put it 7. then it displays how many times it's displayed, 7 into 7, so that times it's displayed. Okay, so now we can use the print. Instead of J we want to print the star, so here I can put it star comma end is the end of the string, so finally we can put it end of star. Okay, the for loop is completed, so now we can put it, run the file. Again we have run the file, we can put it F5, we can give the result as 7, so it displays the single line. So how do we have to display the next lines? Then we have to, in the inner for loop, we have to use the print backslash r. What is the use of backslash r? Is return the carriage return, because of it's used to run time is go to the new line. So every one time the for loop is completed, immediately firing the print backslash r, it's displaying the carriage return. Now we can run the file F5. Now it's asking the values. Here I can put it 7. So it's display the triangle format. Okay, this is the left called pyramid star pattern. Is the left half pyramid star pattern. Okay, triangle, left triangle or left half pyramid star pattern. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe our channel and give me the support. Okay.